Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete an old administrator account and create a new administrator account. So in Windows 11 especially. So here in the start icon, do a right click and then go to settings. And then we need to click on this accounts option. We need to scroll down more. And we need to click on other users. Now you will find a lot of, whatever the accounts you have, and you will have the option to change and even remove. Now, before deleting an administrator account, you should create an administrator account, and you need to click on add account. And since we are creating a local administrator account, then we will select I don't have this. I'll just click on that. And then we will wait for a moment. And here it says get a new email address, add a user without a Microsoft account. Now here mention anything you want, like I'll mention John like this. I'll enter the password and re-enter the password and just note it down somewhere. And you just need to select some answers. I'll just type anything like this, just dummy things, just to let you know, and I'll click on next. Now very soon the account will be created and you will see a shield icon here. You need to click on yes, and I can see the local account is created. Now it is a local account, but still it's not an administrator account. So we need to click on change account type. And here from standard, we will select administrator and we'll click on OK. Now you can see the administrator account is opened. Now you just need to click on remove the old user and you just need to say yes. And you just need to click on delete account. And data will be also deleted. This will say all the data from this PC, including item, desktop, download, documents, photos, music. So make sure you back up all these things and then go for the deletion of the old administrator account. Now you can simply switch. So here I'll just click on this user and here we will click on these three dots. And you can see the new account has been created, right? So you can also try that. This is how you can create a new user account, add a new user account, administrator, and delete or remove a administrator user account. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.